Alright boys, today taking out my buddy's four-wheel drive Traxxas Slash. It's aluminum everything. We got some A-scale buggy tires on here. Other than that, it's pretty much stock electronics, stock gearing. It does have this Fly Sky FS GT3B. He had an issue with the steering. That little arm in there was upside down and backwards. Then he destroyed the spur gear. So we put a new spur gear in there. Geared it back down to 13 tooth. So we're gonna see how she runs. We did set the toe and camber. Let's go. Oh, uh-oh, it broke something, boys. Let's go take a look. Oh, it looks like we lost a spring for the shock. That's all I see. Oh, yeah. Alright, lost the... Oh, alright. Broke the shock. Oh, no, it just ripped out. Should be good. We'll repair that. We'll get back out here, boys. Hey, boys, looks like we won't be getting back to ripping. Looks like we broke this drive shaft. I believe this was an Amazon drive shaft. Yeah, destroyed the inside of that. And we don't really have anything to replace that with. So, looks like we're donezo, boys. All right, boys. Peace.